Welcome back to Learn BC. Before we get started, please click like, share the love. We're going to talk about the general product posting group and how this works in Microsoft Dynamics Business Central. Part of our crazy diagram of all of the posting setups, we're going to focus here on the general product posting groups, as you can see here. And naturally, these come to life by being put onto a line of a document. And as you would know, on a document being a sales invoice, sales order, purchase invoice, quote, whatever, you can have different line types from a comment to a GL account, an item, resource, a charge item. You can also put fixed assets, but that's not what we're here to talk about today. So generally speaking, when you select the item card is set up with what is its general business posting group. And so these all represent cards. The general business posting group is in its own table within Business Central. And per our last video, it relates back to the general business posting group up here. And we're going to come to that in a little bit. So as per the last video, when a document is created, it flows the lines configuration through from the card, the source card being a GL account, the charge item, the resource or the item. Okay, and from here, now the exception here is you can create a purchase invoice journal or a sales invoice journal, and in that instant you would require to outline the general product posting group on that line before posting it. But in the same manner as the last video, the posting helps us determine the general posting setup in combination with what we see as the general business posting groups. Okay, so now the best way to describe it is the general product posting group is the one that determines with the general business posting group what is the GL code that will be used for posting within Business Central. Okay, let's take a quick look at BC. We're going to search up the Gen Product Posting Group. And from here now, you can see in this system we have freight, we've got manufacturing, we've got miscellaneous, no GST, raw materials, retail services. Now, our clients generally will break this down into the product types, how they want it to land on their chart of accounts, and it's very much determined on their reporting requirements, how they want their GL to look in their reports. So let's, again, when we look at the setup, it does what we did before, and it gives us, I'm just going to clear this filter here. It gives us what's called the general posting setup table. And we can see here all of our setups are a combination of the general business posting group with the general product posting group determines then and gives us the option to choose all the GL codes for your sales, your purchases, and your COGS, your interims, your overheads, etc. So that is the introduction to the general product posting group. Thank you again. Don't forget to click like. Cheers.